Hey guys, we're back. Got a nice one here. It's a 99 to 07 Ford Super Duty. It's an Astro unit. It's cab high, the CR 1800 series. White in color. Has the third side sliders on it. This one was a trade-in directly from the customer, so this one's been taken care of really well. Doesn't have a whole lot of issues on the paint. Not really seeing anything major on here. Top is good. It has a little bit of a small scuff mark right there. Really no damage at all that I'm seeing on here at all. A couple small scuffs on the bottom edge right there. Another one there, but not bad. The whole bottom edge is in good shape. This one fits the 8-foot bed. Top looks really nice. Does have the quarter side sliders, so it's just the quarter window slides in the back. Has the sliding window in the front. Front edge looks really nice. No damage. A couple small nicks right there. Really nothing major on this one at all. Sliding window just slides open, so you can access inside the bed from the cab. Pull shut. It's really good on this side as well. Small little nick right there. Just have a little bit of a mark there. Bottom edge looks really good. Let's have a small little mark right there to see that one there. Quarter side sliders on this side as well. Does have the double T-handle locking rear door. The inside is bare fiberglass, but really good shape, really clean. Screens, not seeing any holes in the screens here at all. Screens look in really good shape. Screens on this side look really good. There's a small hole right there on that. But other than that, really don't look too bad at all. There it is. It's a cab high Astro CR 1800 series. It's a 99 to 07 Ford Super Duty with the 8-foot bed. YZ white in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so if you want to see which location it's at, how much we're asking for it, how much it is, purchase it online. It can all be done through that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, storage solutions, ladder racks, stuff like that can all be purchased online through there as well. As with all our units, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick them up once you purchase them online from one of our stores. Thanks for watching.